Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. So in this session I am going to explain about the joins topic. So this is very useful and very important in each and every application. So here the joins are used to combine the rows from two or more tables based on the related columns between them. So there are a few key reasons why joins are important and commonly used in SQL. So we are retrieving the data from multiple tables when we are using the joins. These are useful when we have many to many relationships and many to many relationship between the tables and the need to access the related data. So one to many relationships and many to many relationships means so when we are using the Facebook and so we can post many images and we can post many videos and pictures and so many view we can get many views from many people. So that is the many to many relationships. So here in one to many relationships, so single record in one table can be associated with multiple records in another table. So you can see that customer table is there and the order table is there. So in this scenario, each customer can have multiple orders to retrieve all orders made by the specific customers. So we have to decompose the tables because to reduce the redundancy. So next one is many to many means many views and many likes. So in many to many relationships here you can see that student and course enrollments three tables. So multiple records in one table can be associated with multiple records in another table. So this typically requires the table known as the bridge table to facilitate the relationships. So you can see that student table, course table, and enrollment table. So in this above scenario, in this above case, each student can enroll in multiple courses, and each course can have multiple students. To retrieve this list of students along with the courses they are enrolled in, so we have to use the joins. So here we have a customer table and order table, shippings table. I have created three tables so to retrieve the data. So here we have different types of joins: inner join and left join, right join, full join, and self join. So each and every join has its own purpose, and let's we discuss one by one. So first one is the inner join. So these inner join command is used to join two tables. So when we are using the inner join, it will return only matching values from both tables. So see that so here see that inner join. So customer table and order table is there, and customers 1 2 3 4 5 members and orders 5. So the final output is see that third person David and fifth person Betty has ordered some items. So whoever order an item, so inner join will return only that records. See customer ID 3 and 5. So in the order table customer ID is there. So in the order table also customer ID has to match these 3 and 5. See that the final output is whoever orders the item, so that persons will return when we are using the inner join. See that here we have syntax: select column names from table name and use the table 1 you have to use, and so join another table. On class you have to use it, specify the records matching records between two tables. So table 1 dot column name and table 2 dot column name means so we have to match with the IDs, customer ID from both tables. So in the table 1 we have customer ID equals to table 2 have customer ID. So see that one query is there. Write a query to retrieve orders with the customer and shipping date and status. So we have to display the customers and orders and shipping status. So here we have to retrieve orders with customers and shipping data and status. So now I'm showing you practically how we are joining three tables at the same time. So we have to create the orders, customers and shipping tables. So I have created the customer table and orders table. Here we have shipping table. So now I'm writing the query. So select star from. So these tables are decomposed based on the normalization process. So select star from customers and I'm using the inner join. So I'm joining table orders. So use on class customers.customer ID equals to orders.customer ID. So and one more table is there, shippings table. So join that shipping table. Inner join shippings. So use on class. So on class specifies the matches between two tables. So on orders.customer ID orders.shipping ID equals to shipping.shipping ID. So here I am writing, so I have written this. Just select the query and execute. See that. So it will display all the details. Suppose if you want to display specific columns, just remove the star and select the columns from the specific tables. So customers dot first name and so orders dot item and so one more is there, shippings dot status. So you can take in different column names. So I'm taking only first name and order item and shipping status. So select and execute. See that. So first name and item and status. If you want to take an amount, so you can, so orders dot amount. Just you can add two more columns. Select and execute. See that amount column also added into there. So here I have created three tables, customers and shippings and orders. See that, so customers, orders, shippings. So here I have created the foreign key. So here the foreign key of customer ID. So I am creating the foreign key from orders to customers. So foreign key of customer ID references to the customers of customer ID. So here from the orders table I am referring to shippings table. So foreign key of shipping ID references to the shippings of shipping ID. So the foreign key is mandatory to establish the relationship between two or more tables when we are decompose the tables into multiple tables. So here in this way we are using the joins. So this is all about the inner join. Inner join will return only matching records from two or more tables. So we'll discuss remaining joins in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.